I still remember when we started training, when we built this amazing training program. What was the vision behind that program? We wanted to make a program in which students are comfortable and students are at their ease to ask the question. I wanted to build an environment where people can hold their hand and they can walk through with you till you become certified PMP. Now, I still remember when I took my training. The training was good, without any doubt. It was a very good training. I still use some of the things that I have learned in that training. But once the training was completed, I was actually selected for the audit. And in that time, audit was in that way. If you are selected for the audit, you have to get those things print out, get it signed, and send in a sealed envelope. And there was no support from the training organization. It was not that they said they will support it. It was just they don't care. They have other students, they have other things to do. So when I came to this training business, I make sure one thing, and that is every single person who is going to join the program, I'm going to hold their hand, I'm going to coach them, I'm going to work with them, I'm going to mentor them till they become certified PMP. Every single thing that they need to pass. I also remember while I was studying PMP almost a decade back, there was no YouTube that much, there was no good simulators, and only questions were given in PDF format or printable. So I had no access of how the real exam will be. So I made my program in a way so that you get one stop for PMP. Of course, a customized roadmap how you want to study. A system in which me and my team follow ups with you till you become certified PMP. And the most important thing, the mastermind group in which all the certified PMPs and the potential PMPs can work together. And we are very happy to say that we have built that community where 24/7 certified PMPs are helping each other. And the very important thing, 3 coaching call in which I personally coach you after the training that this is the way to solve your question answers. I'm extremely happy about that we make a program in which you don't have to study the book. But what happened? Almost 1.5 years back, I got almost 10 students in 6 months who actually said that, sir, we want to learn by books. We want to learn the book. So I started writing down this book, Pathway to PMP. And once I have written this book, I read that book and I saw that the language of the book was a little bit more complex. I'm a simple man and I do simple things. So I rewrote this book. I worked into that this book become the most simplified book for your PMP. So the pathway to PMP actually shortened your path further on. But this is for those people who really want to read the book. If you don't want to read the book, you don't even have to read my book. You can pass the PMP in our program without reading any book. And for those people who just want the simulator, I am opening today that you can also get the simulator, you can also get the book. And if you only want to join the coaching call from now, that is also possible. But my recommendation would be that you get the entire program. That becomes more economical for you when you get the entire thing. Because the most important thing, when you get the book, when you get the simulator, you don't get me 24/7. You don't get that mastermind group. But once you join the program, you will get the best system that will make sure you become PMP. Your dream of becoming PMP materialize. So register now and let's start working on your PMP.